Good afternoon, children. As we were doing isotopes, in that I told you what are isotopes, right? See, now they have drawn the structure for three isotopes of hydrogen. Hydrogen has three isotopes with atomic mass 1, 2, and 3. First, with atomic mass 1 is called protium, then deuterium, and then tritium. Okay, now how they differ from each other is they differ in the number of neutrons. Their electrons are same, protons are same, but they differ from each other in the number of their neutrons, right? So they have drawn the structure of three isotopes of hydrogen. You can see they all these three have same electrons, same protons, but neutrons are different, right? Same way for carbon. Same for carbon. We have three isotopes, C12, C13, and C14. Okay. Chlorine also we have two isotopes. So you should know, you should learn the structure of these isotopes, atomic structures. Okay. Now next we have properties of isotopes. They have similar chemical properties. Why? Because I told you in the starting of this chapter that the chemical properties of an element depend upon the number of electrons. As these isotopes have same electrons, so their chemical property will remain the same, right? Isotopes differ in few physical properties. Why they differ in physical properties? Because physical properties depends upon the number of neutrons. Since these isotopes they differ in the number of neutrons, therefore their physical properties will be different. Okay, so this is important, right? Now they have written in the last paragraph that isotopes like tritium and carbon 14 they are radioactive isotopes. They emit radiations and they are not stable. Okay. Then we have uses of isotope. This is again very important topic. Isotopes of cobalt is used in radiotherapy for treating cancer and other diseases. Of C14 is used in geological materials like to find the age of a tree and all that. Uranium it is used as a fuel in nuclear reactors. Nuclear reactors होते हैं where nuclear reaction occurs. You might have heard of nuclear bombs, atomic bombs, right? All these are being manufactured in the nuclear reactors. Then isotopes of iodine is used in the treatment of goiter. You all have heard of goiter. Radioactive isotopes are used in industry to detect the leakage in underground oil pipes, gas pipes, and water pipes. Okay. Then we have fractional atomic mass. Fractional atomic mass, in case of isotopes, we cannot say atomic mass, right? You people might have seen that the atomic mass of chlorine we write as 35.5. It is in fractions, right? But when we generally talk of atomic mass, it is always a whole number. But in case of isotopes, we always take their fractional atomic mass. Fractional atomic mass, how to find of chlorine? See, chlorine के two isotopes है, right? एक है 35 and another one is 37. और जब हम इनको अर्थ क्रस्ट में देखेंगे तो जो 35 वाला है दैट इज़ प्रेजेंट 75%, एंड जो 37 वाला है दैट इज़ प्रेजेंट 25%. मीन्स आउट ऑफ 100% 75% कौन सा आइसोटोप है? क्लोरीन 35. एंड 25% कौन सा आइसोटोप है? 37. ओके, सो अब इनका एवरेज निकालते हैं. दैट इज दे अकर इन द रेशो ऑफ 3:1. ठीक है, तो 35 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, 37 को 1 से डिवाइडेड बाय 3+1, जितना रेशो है उनका 3+1. फ्रॉम हेयर वी गेट 35.5. ठीक है, सो दिस इज हाउ वी फाइंड द फ्रैक्शनल एटॉमिक मास ऑफ chlorine, right? So isobars are, these are the atoms of different elements. These are the atoms of different elements with the same mass number but different atomic number, right? अब इसमें opposite है, ये different atoms होते हैं, right? They have same mass number but atomic number is different. और ये जो elements हैं ये भी different होते हैं, right? Example is argon and calcium. Argon has 18, atomic number 18, calcium has 20, but दोनों का atomic mass जो है that is same. Chromium and iron, right? इनका भी दोनों का atomic mass जो है वो same है, atomic number different है, right? So this was all about this.